And so what we do need to do is understand what people are after and provide options for them. In glass, for example, we can give the ones that are well known, which is insulation value. Then you have solar control for those that want solar control, just as some don't, they want passive heat gain. So we have options for that. Then you also have another thing that's for a comfortable home is acoustic. So using laminate glass, you can achieve good acoustic results. Light is very important in a home. And one thing we do like to see is the use of the intelligent use of windows so that you get lots of light while not affecting the efficiency of your home too much. Just as some people actually like lower light levels, so we have that available as well. Then you also have, for people that want privacy, the reflective coatings that are there so that it makes it difficult for people to see, say if you've got a glass in the front of your home. And then also aesthetics, so we can do that as well with tint and with print. And the beauty of it all is you can roll it all up and still make energy efficient windows. How glass works in keeping heat inside a home. And what's been developed over a number of years is a technology called low E glass, which means low emissivity. And what it does is it takes long wave heat that's generated within the home and reflects it back into the home rather than letting it leave the window. And so you get far better heat retention within your home just through that simple technology. Low E has gone through many iterations over the years and it's become more and more effective, which I touched upon earlier on with solar control as well. So they're rolling other things into that technology as well. And you can have the basic low E glass will have 5 to 6 metallic silver coatings on it, which is the secret and the sauce with it. But you can get up to 15, 18, even 20 coatings on the glass that you can't see or you're hard pushed to see. You might see a bit of a tint. And again, with those higher performing low E's, that means that you're getting better heat retention. The other thing is, as that technology's improved, it has meant that for those that don't want to go to triple glazing, you can get some very high performance double glazing that will be very close to the performance of basic triple glazing. However, what we are finding in the triple glazing now is that people are going for the double low E coatings, and they do provide for very impressive insulative values. So if someone's going triple glazing, double low E is definitely the way to go. Whereas if someone's going triple glazing but perhaps only one low E coating, I'd seriously consider going to a high performance double glazing.
The thing that has the biggest impact on how warm a window is actually the glass. And so you start with very simple double glazing, you add low E coatings and argon gases to that. In fact, what you need is a reasonable air gap, at least 16 millimetres in between the two panes of glass to really get the value out of even double glazing, let alone triple glazing. You add the coatings to that and you're improving the performance from single glazed glass by 5 or 6 times.
Triple glazing, R value 2.0, so that's probably the best you can find it within local windows. Low E glass both inside and outside, that's the highest standard for low E glass. Argon inside, that's all standard. Warm gaskets between the glass not to bridge the heat.
With solar control, what used to be the old school way of dealing with it was using tints on the outer pane. And what it's now moved into now is the low E itself has the ability to control the amount of radiation energy that's going through the window. So that again, because having too much solar control can be a bad thing as well. So again, listening to what the project or the customer wants and finding out what the key numbers are, because there is no sweet spot depending on the design of the building. We can provide a solar control glass that can meet the needs of that project.